women, we are more inclined to feel naturally helpless. So is the Lord more inclined, faster in His giving help to a woman than to a man?
Yeah, sure. The weaker we are, more affectionate Krishna will be to us. That's why the women make better devotees than men.
It's not that we...
Who are the greatest devotees in the spiritual sky? The gopis. The gopis. Still, you see, in a man, that tendency of lording over is there. But in a woman, that tendency is less. Or at least naturally should have been. Nowadays the men are becoming like women and women are becoming like men. So, but this is an abnormal situation. But generally, women are more devotional because they have softer heart. Their nature is tender. They're basically submissive. So these are all favourable qualities of Krishna consciousness.